The method I'm about to show you guys will block many types of ads on your phone, including banner ads on websites, pop-up ads, and even ads in many free games and apps, all without downloading an ad blocker. Before I show you the method, let's look at some examples of annoying ads that are currently showing up on my phone, which we are then going to completely get rid of. I'm going to first open up this app called Image to PDF, and I'm currently connected to my Wi-Fi, so as soon as I open the app, as you can see, there's an ad that is already showing up as soon as I open the app. So this is a 10-second ad. I'm gonna open up Google and then I'm gonna search GSM Arena. I'm gonna open up their website and it's opened up in Chrome right now, and we're in the desktop site. As you can see, there's a massive banner ad on the top, and there's another ad over here, some trading website. I'm gonna keep scrolling and there's an ad playing there, and there's another banner ad here. There's another ad over here. So pretty much there is a lot of ads here. Let me now open the next app and let's wait for it to load. It's going to take a while. And now as soon as I open it up, as you can see, there's an ad, the same 10-second ad once again. Okay, so now let's look at how to block these annoying ads that we just looked at. Open up settings and then tap on this thing called connections. And then after that, scroll down and tap on more connection settings. And here, as you can see, there's something called private DNS. You're gonna tap on that. Now, as you can see, there are three options. It's currently set to off. Sometimes it might be set to automatic. What you're gonna wanna do is tap on private DNS provider hostname. And then here you're able to type in the hostname of a DNS provider. So here you're gonna type in dns.adguard.com, and as soon as you type that, hit save, and then just wait for like a few seconds for it to connect to that DNS or whatever. And now we're gonna close all the apps that we opened earlier, and I'm gonna open Image to PDF again. Now, as you can see, previously as soon as I opened the app there was an ad, but this time there isn't any ad, but we're gonna keep using the app just to make sure. So I just have this piece of paper I'm gonna scan. So I'm gonna hit Image to PDF. I'm gonna allow. Yeah, that's fine. I'm gonna hit next. Usually when you hit next, it will force you to watch an ad, but so far there hasn't been any ads. You can check it out for yourself if you want to. You can just, whatever app that you have that's bothering you with ads, you can just try this method. Just try it out. I'm using this app because I know this has ads, which is why I'm using this one. I'm gonna hit next and save. And so far, no interruptions at all. We were able to successfully convert an image to a PDF without any interruptions. Finally, we're gonna open, not finally, there's two more. So let's open Going Balls again. Previously, there were no ads when I opened the app, but when I played a game and then when I finished the game, there was an ad. So let's try that again. I'm gonna fast forward this video so you guys don't have to watch the whole thing. Now here's what's interesting about this game. As you can see, you have the option to drop 3 more balls as long as you watch an ad. Now since we have blocked all the ads, let's try and see what happens when I click on this. I'm gonna hit drop, and as you can see, it's not letting me do anything, which basically means it's unable to play any ads for me. So I'm gonna hit no thanks. Now again, there's another option to watch an ad to 2x something for 15 minutes. When I try to tap on it, as you can see, it's blocked out, which basically means the app is unable to play any ads. So it's disabling the options to watch ads. So pretty much I just played like 2 games and there were no ads at all. So you can safely say ads are blocked. So that's a great sign. I'm gonna open up Google again and we're gonna search for the same thing again, GSM Arena, the same website again. And so far, I don't see any ads. Okay, as you can see, it does have the banner. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it does say advertisement. But when I zoom out, there is no ad there. It's just a blank placeholder with this little icon. And another one here on the left side, again, it says advertisement. However, there isn't any ads. Let's just scroll and see if there are more examples. Yep, there we go. So there's another banner ad, again with no ads. So we can confirm that this method does block ads that show up on websites as well. However, it doesn't completely eliminate it. It'll still show that placeholder, but it is still a lot better than the actual ad displaying. So you can browse whatever website you're browsing without any distractions, without any ads showing up. And yeah, that pretty much concludes this video. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give this video a like and share with a friend. And if you have any questions, you can put them down in the comment section below. And if you haven't subscribed already, be sure to hit the subscribe button. And that's pretty much it. See you later. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.